Ready to elevate your crypto trading from basic to professional? Ever wondered how experienced traders navigate the volatile crypto markets with precision, speed, and lower fees, all while staying on a highly secure and regulated platform? If you've been using Gemini for your crypto needs but feel like you're missing out on advanced functionalities, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into pro tips for using Gemini ActiveTrader. Gemini, founded by the Winklevoss twins, has always prided itself on being a secure, regulated, and compliant cryptocurrency exchange. While their standard interface is fantastic for beginners, offering a straightforward way to buy, sell, and manage crypto, true power users know that the real magic happens on Gemini ActiveTrader. This isn't just a different skin, it's a completely redesigned interface built for serious traders, offering advanced charting, multiple order types, deeper order book visibility, and significantly lower fees. If you're currently paying the higher fees on Gemini's basic web or mobile app interface, switching to ActiveTrader alone can save you a substantial amount of money, with maker fees as low as 0% and taker fees going down to 0.03% for high-volume traders. So, let's unlock the full potential of Gemini ActiveTrader. Tip 1. Master the interface, your command center. The first step to becoming a Gemini ActiveTrader Pro is to truly understand and customize its interface. When you first log in, it might seem overwhelming, but think of it as your personalized trading cockpit. Customizable layouts. ActiveTrader allows you to arrange widgets like order books, trade history, charts, and your open orders exactly how you want them. Don't settle for the default. Experiment. Do you prefer your order book on the left or right? Do you need multiple charts open simultaneously for different time frames or trading pairs? Drag, drop, resize, make it yours. A well-organized workspace reduces cognitive load and allows for quicker decision-making, which is crucial in fast-moving crypto markets. Chart analysis with TradingView integration. Gemini ActiveTrader leverages TradingView, a powerful charting platform. This isn't just about looking at price lines, it's about deep technical analysis. Indicators. Explore the vast library of technical indicators. Moving averages, MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, Stochastic Oscillator, these are just a few examples. Learn what each indicator signifies and how to use them to identify trends, momentum, and potential reversal points. Drawing tools. Use trend lines, Fibonacci retracement tools, support and resistance levels, and other drawing tools to mark up your charts. This helps you visualize price action and anticipate future movements. Time frames. Don't just stick to one time frame. Analyze across multiple time frames, e.g., 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, to get a comprehensive view of the market. A trend on a 15-minute chart might be a mere blip on a daily chart. Order book depth. Unlike the basic interface, ActiveTrader provides a much deeper view of the order book. You can see not just the immediate buy and sell orders, but also liquidity further up and down the book. This gives you insights into market sentiment, potential support and resistance levels, and where large orders are sitting. Pay attention to walls, large clusters of buy or sell orders that can act as strong price barriers. Trade history. Keep the trade history visible. This real-time feed of executed trades helps you gauge market momentum and see if buyers or sellers are currently in control. Large, frequent trades in one direction can signal strong directional movement. Tip 2. Advanced order types, beyond market buys and sells. This is where ActiveTrader truly shines for proactive traders. Simply hitting buy or sell at market price is a beginner's game. ActiveTrader offers a variety of order types that allow for precise entry, exit, and risk management. Limit orders. This is your bread and butter for better price control and lower fees. Maker fees. When you place a limit order that isn't immediately filled and rests on the order book, you are providing liquidity to the market, and Gemini charges you a lower maker fee. This is a significant advantage. Strategic placement. Use limit orders to set your desired entry and exit points. For example, if Bitcoin is currently at $60,000 but you believe it will dip to $59,500 before bouncing, you can set a buy limit order at $59,500. This ensures you only buy at your target price or lower. Stop limit orders, a crucial tool for risk management. How it works: a stop limit order combines a stop price and a limit price. When the market price reaches your specified stop price, your stop limit order becomes a limit order at your designated limit price. Example: you own ETH at $3,000. To limit potential losses, you could set a stop price at $2,800 and a limit price at $2,790. If ETH drops to $2,800, a sell limit order for your ETH will be placed at $2,790. This protects you from catastrophic losses while trying to avoid selling at an unfavorable market price. Important note: in extremely volatile markets, your stop limit order might not fill if the price blows past your limit price too quickly. This is a risk to be aware of. Market orders, while generally discouraged for active trading due to higher taker fees and potential slippage, market orders have their place. When to use market orders sparingly, typically when you need to enter or exit a position immediately, regardless of price, due to urgent circumstances or significant news events. Speed over price. Time and force, TIF, orders, these provide additional control over how long your orders remain active. Good till canceled, GTC, your order remains active until it is filled or you manually cancel it. This is the default for most limit orders. Immediate or cancel, IOC, any portion of your order that cannot be filled immediately is canceled. This ensures you only get filled on what's available right now. Fill or kill, FOK, your entire order must be filled immediately and completely, or it is canceled. This is useful for large orders where partial fills are undesirable. Maker or cancel, MOC, your order will only rest on the order book. If any part of it can be filled immediately, the entire order is canceled. This guarantees you are a maker and pay maker fees. Tip 3. Understand the fee structure, every penny counts. Gemini ActiveTrader's fee structure is a game changer compared to their standard platform. It operates on a maker-taker model, meaning you pay different fees depending on whether your order adds liquidity to the market, maker, or takes liquidity, taker. Maker versus taker fees. Maker fee, charged when your order is not immediately matched and rests on the order book, thus making liquidity. These are always lower. Taker fee, charged when your order is immediately matched against an existing order on the order book, thus taking liquidity. These are always higher. Tiered system, Gemini ActiveTrader uses a tiered fee schedule based on your 30-day trading volume. The higher your volume, the lower your maker and taker fees become. For stablecoin pairs, fees are even lower, often 0% maker and 0.01% taker. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.